Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Honda Odyssey. We're talking guys about that generation Honda Odyssey from year 2011 to year 2017. Now, if you need to find where the radio fuse is located, stay with us. We'll explain that in this video today. We're going to explain guys where you can find that fuse, where you can buy replacement fuses and relays at a really good price and quick shipping. That way you don't waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered in this video today for your convenience. Make sure it's sent till the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you guys have a Honda Odyssey, that generation from year 2011 all the way to year 2017, guys, we will make a video about every single fuse, every relay. Why? Because in the manual sometimes it's not clear what the fuses relays are for. Okay, it could say something like FI. How do you know that this is the fuel injection, but actually it's for the fuel pump? So we're going to make video for every single fuse, every relay, because most of you will eventually even lose your manuals and they're not clear written, guys. We're doing that to save you time and money. So if you need to find a fuse and you're down the road, let's say you need to find the engine starter fuse, all you have to do, just search for it. 1 second, the video pops out and you can find which fuse you need to check. Another thing now, guys, we're constantly working here at the garage on cars, constantly taking things apart, and we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos on every car we get at the garage. We have more than 1.2 million subscribers on our channels, guys. Check it out if you need help with mechanical work, body work, anything like that, it will be there. Now, something else, guys, relays, fuses, okay, they could be really expensive. You have special fuses, you can see like the JK's fuses, you have mini blade fuses, multi-fuse box, okay, and these fuses could be really expensive. So guys, we're going to show you those are Honda specific fuses that can be really hard to find, or they can cost you a lot of money. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a good price and quick shipping as well. So let's go ahead and continue now. So the radio fuse we're going to demonstrate on a 2015 Honda Odyssey right here, guys. Let's explain where it's located. You have up to 5 different fuse boxes, but we'll need to find the main fuse box under the hood. This is a secondary fuse box, we don't need that one, we need that one right here. So let me zoom in a little bit and you can see this is, guys, okay, the fuse box right here. Now if you open that cover, you're going to see a fuse box layout that looks just like this one right here. This is the front of your Honda Odyssey, this is towards the windshield side. Before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays now. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So radio fuse, guys, which fuse you need to check. Now you will need to come in that row right here of fuses, and if you come, guys, right here, that's fuse number 16, that's fuse number 15, that 20 amp fuse right here, let me zoom in a little bit, that 20 amp fuse, guys, the second fuse from right to left in that okay, in that row right here, that's the one that you will need to check if your radio doesn't work. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. If you have any more questions, let us know. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys next time.